Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investors channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about another token that will be listed on Coinbase pretty soon. And this project is called the Voyager token or the VGX token, right? Again, as always guys, I highly recommend you guys to do your own research on any of the projects we cover on our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to the website investvoyager.com in order to learn more about this project, right? So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to rely on the information presented on CoinMarketCap's page for this token. But this is only going to be a peripheral analysis, which means you need to do your own in-depth research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? So what is Voyager token or the VGX token? So Voyager token is a cryptocurrency broker that provides investors with a trusted and secure access point to crypto asset trading. Voyager is built to serve both retail and institutional investors with a nigh instant solution for trading crypto assets. Again, it's a cryptocurrency broker platform that mainly focuses on providing investors with a trusted and secure point place to trade cryptocurrencies. That's basically what Voyager platform is, and it's basically built to serve not only retail investors but also institutional investors as well, and also offers a very low cost effective trading solution for a wide variety of crypto assets, right? And when it comes to like the brokerage service itself, the crypto brokerage service was launched in October 2018, now supports over 55 crypto assets and has a unique smart order routing technology that connects it over a dozen cryptocurrency exchanges. The mobile app of the Voyager token launched in January 2019, making it even easier for users to trade cryptos. Again, this project has been around for quite some time. In fact, its brokerage was actually started since October of 2018, and it supports over 55 crypto assets and also offers a unique smart order routing technology that helps connect it with multiple other cryptocurrency exchanges. So again, it's kind of like the 1-inch platform that also uses other different decentralized exchanges on Ethereum or other blockchains in order to kind of route the best rate for the cryptocurrencies that you're trading. So similar to that, Voyager also has a smart order routing technology that helps you give the best routing for the trade that you're trying to make from over a dozen cryptocurrency exchanges. And they also have a mobile app that was launched in January 2019, which allows for even easier transactions to be made through your mobile application. So again, that's basically the overview of this platform on what this does. When it comes to the native token of this brokerage, Voyager token or VGX is basically the native token, and it's used to reward users within the Voyager ecosystem. VGX also generates interest when held in the Voyager app, offers cashback rewards and other services exclusive to Voyager users. Again, just like any exchange platform, you also have benefits for using their native token. So similar to that, Voyager token is basically their native token, which is the VGX token as well. And this particular token gives you benefits within the app itself, where you can earn interest on this token, you can get cashbacks, you can also get other exclusive services within the Voyager app with the VGX token, right? Voyager also offers 100% commission-free trading, including buying and selling. Traders only have to pay only the quoted price when executing an order on the platform. So yes, they do say that there is no real exchange fee or commission fee transactions that are available within the platform, but the problem is that there is a spread, which is basically what they're referring to here, stating that you only have to pay the quoted price. So the quoted price may not necessarily be favorable, in the sense where it could be slightly higher and the spread could be a little bit a little bit of a way where they make money, right? So that's basically how this entire platform works, but it's still much more convenient compared to several other exchanges as well, right? So this is kind of the overview of the Voyager platform as well as the VGX token itself. So let's go to the founders of the project. and quickly skim through the information for that. So Crypto Trading Technologies, the mother company of Voyager token, is led by a group with experience in online brokerage services. The project was jointly founded by Stefan Ehrlich, Philip Ayton, Gaspard de Drowsy, and Oscar Salazar. So again, I'm sorry if I butcher these names, but these are basically the founders of this particular project. And it's also noted that the Crypto Trading Technologies, which is basically the mother company of Voyager, is basically the same group that created this project as well, right? So here they're talking about the individual personnel who were involved in creating this project and their backgrounds as well, which I'm not planning to go in detail, but you can clearly see from the CoinMarketCap page the individual co-founders and their backgrounds, and it seems like they all have a lot of experience with other projects in the past as well, similar to kind of like exchange, crypto trading exchange. They also have experiences with Uber, Source, and Livestream, and even Warner Music as well, which you guys can read more about from the CoinMarketCap page. But I'm going to skip through this one to go to the most important topic, which is what makes Voyager token unique. So why would you have to go out of your way to invest in this project compared to several other projects, right? So Voyager has created a network for crypto trading that feels remarkably similar to clients' traditional online brokerages enjoy. Voyager launched its mobile app in 2019 to bring an easy yet efficient crypto brokerage services to smartphone users. Again, here they're talking about how one of the major reasons to look into this project is because of the fact that this project offers a very easy interface to use, and it kind of feels much more like a traditional platform, but it's a much different platform that kind of like offers one of the most cutting edge brokerage services in the crypto space. So the use and feel of this platform is also one of the reasons why you need to at least check this project out to see if this is a project that you would be at least using to trade crypto at any point of time. And also the mobile app launched on 2019 and provides an easy and efficient way to use their brokerage services through a smartphone, right? So that's some of the highlights for the platform itself. The Voyager token uses a smart order routing technology and takes advantage of discrepancies between listed prices on crypto exchanges. This technology helps it connect instantaneously with over a dozen crypto exchanges for investors to choose the best exchange rate available for their transactions. So again, one of the other reasons to use this platform or to look into this project is because of the fact that they have their smart order routing technology, which not only enables the users to get the best possible price, but also provides the best possible routing through multiple different exchanges to give the best possible price at a lowest, with little to no transaction fees. In fact, the transaction fees are basically through the spreads and not through the actual platform itself, that you literally feel no fees at all, right? Even though there is a little bit of fee that's collected through spreads, right? So that's also one of the reasons why you need to look into this project. This feature also means that investors can also evaluate the spreads between bid and ask prices and higher levels of liquidity across different crypto exchanges. For traders, it becomes much easier to enter and exit positions. Again, when it comes to liquidity in cryptocurrency, there are lots of exchanges with shallow liquidity, which causes price friction when users are trying to do transactions. But for people who are investing in cryptocurrencies that are not necessarily known to have high liquidity, Voyager offers the best routing and the best possible price in the industry. This is for investors, right? But when it comes to day trader, if you're a day trader who wants to trade large volumes in a single day, then this platform still offers you the best entry and exit positions in order for you to get the best possible value from this project, right? So that's some of the use cases of this particular platform. Although the platform offers professional trading services, it remains very easy to use. The order submission is assisted by Voyager's smart order routing. After selecting a coin or token, the order type and the amount of the assets to be purchased in USD, Voyager's smart order routing automatically fills out the orders. Again, here they're talking a little bit more about their smart order routing technique, which is something that is their prized possession. And they're basically stating that it offers you the most cutting edge technology when it comes to like brokerage services in a fully easy to use interface. So that's mainly the takeaway from this platform and why you need to look into this platform, right? So now that we've kind of covered some of the main topics on why you need to look into this project, let's see how this network is actually secure, right? So Voyager tokens were issued as an ERC20 token running on the Ethereum network. Being an ERC20 token, VGX cannot be mined like conventional proof of work crypto assets. Again, the moment they said this is an ERC20 token, I pretty much know that the security portion of this platform is going to be very strong because it's running on the Ethereum blockchain. Therefore, this project has a very secure base where it's kind of being built on, and therefore there's no risk of security issues or anything like that on this platform, right? The network leverages the well-tested cryptographic standards and methods of Ethereum to ensure an extremely high degree of security. In addition, it incorporates public key cryptography as well as elliptic key cryptography for advanced security. So on top of just using Ethereum's security as its own security, they also state here that they're using a public key cryptography as well as elliptic key cryptography, two types of cryptography in order for advanced security features to be enabled on their platform, right? So the network is pretty much secure, and therefore it's not something that you should worry about when it comes to security. So Voyager is a publicly traded and licensed crypto asset broker that provides receiving approval from the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, or FINRA, for security and regulatory reasons. Voyager also publicly audited to account for every asset. So again, one of the main reasons why this platform is being, or this token is being listed on Coinbase, is because of the fact that this project is a very highly regulated and fully compliant crypto brokerage platform, which is also approved approved by the FINRA, which is the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, and in order to maintain security and regulatory compliance, they are also publicly audited to verify if all the assets that they claim to have is actually being held by them, right? So it's a very secure platform which is very audited, and therefore it's a highly trustworthy platform to use. And I believe that they also require KYC, which is another kind of like requirement these days. And since it is listed on Coinbase, they're very much regulated and a very trustworthy platform to use as well, right? So that's pretty much the overview of this platform and the token itself. So let's go to their website to find other information about this project. So when you go to investvoyager.com, you pretty much see a very simple website with a lot of information. So if you see, you have an option to download the app right away. They have options for Apple users as well as Google Play users as well. And if you see, you can earn up to 12% in rewards, over 60 plus digital assets with commission free trading with a star on the top, which probably means that they are talking about the spread, and crypto made simple. These are some of the main highlights of this project. And if you want to sign up for the newsletter right away, you can do that by signing up here. So they also say that other fees may apply. You can see the terms and conditions to understand about that, right? But when it comes to the user interface itself, this is kind of like how their user interface is going to be. Pretty high quality and very professional looking brokerage service. They are basically introducing the Voyager debit card as well, which you can pre-register. The card that earns up to 9% rewards and spends everywhere debit MasterCard is accepted. So again, it's a debit MasterCard, which means it's not a credit card, but there's a huge difference between a debit MasterCard as well as a credit MasterCard, because when it comes to credit cards, you basically have a pre-approved, you basically have an option to kind of like spend the money that you don't necessarily have. But when it comes to debit card, you have to preload it in order to spend and get rewards on that. So that's something that you can learn more about by clicking on the Learn More button here. You can pre-register for their debit MasterCard here, which is pretty much how it looks like on real life as well, with lots of perks for using this. It's kind of like a thing that they've copied from like crypto.com. And if you go below, you can clearly see some of the announcements. You can click on the upcoming events to learn about some of the announcements that they have. You can clearly see that they have more than 30 digital assets from which you can earn up to 12% in interest per annum, and a lot of other benefits as well. So build your wealth, earn up to 12% annual rewards, beat your bank by earning top rewards each month on 30 plus digital assets, no lockups and no limits. So again, you can pretty much deposit your assets and start earning interest right away, and there's no lockups, which means you can easily withdraw it whenever you want, right? So this is how your portfolio will be tracked, and say very cool and clean interface of their platform. Buy and trade over 60 digital assets, fund your account and instantly trade all of your favorite coins. Voyager supports Bitcoin, obviously, top DeFi coins, stable coins, and a wide variety of altcoins as well, right? So click on the Learn More button here in order to see what tokens that they offer and what's the interest rate. Get more Bitcoin and crypto for your buck. So that's the main motto and the goal here. And secure your financial freedom, publicly traded, licensed, and regulated. So again, they are regulated and publicly traded and licensed. So there's no real threat of doing something funny behind the scenes. So they are fully transparent, and they should be according to legal requirements. Advanced fraud protection, FDIC insured on USD up to $250,000. So again, you have a kind of like a security where if in case something happens to your crypto within the platform, your funds are secured and insured on FDIC to up to $250,000 USD, right? So our banking partner that holds your USD is FDIC insured, so the cash you hold with Voyager is protected. So that's the assurance that many people would need before they choose to invest in a particular platform, right? So finally, an easy and simple crypto app. So this is mainly talking about their mobile app, which you can clearly see here. It's pretty easy and cool to use as well, which you can download, again, as I said, on Google Play and Apple Store. So join the financial revolution, download the app and start trading. So you can do it fully in their mobile app and start trading on their mobile app, right? Sign up for their newsletter here by adding this information, and if you have any questions, you can also ask them as well. But apart from that, you have their blog that you can follow, where you can get most recent updates from their platform, and you at the bottom you pretty much have other information along with their social media information as well, which will help you understand more about their project and get more in touch with their team members as well, right? So pretty much a straightforward crypto brokerage trading account, which offers a lot more benefits in the current day and age. And since their token is already listed on some popular exchanges, and it will be listed on Coinbase, the Voyager platform will become more and more popular in the upcoming years, which will definitely drive the token price high, right? So going back to the coin market cap page for the VGX token, this token is currently ranked 100 by market cap on coin market cap, and it's currently trading at about around $3.98, close to $4 per token, with 44.04% increase in the past 24 hours. So again, it seems like people are already buying this token from other exchanges because of the Coinbase announcement, and the market cap is exactly $1.1 billion in market cap. So it is a $1 billion market cap per token, so it could technically be initially considered as a high market cap token where the growth potential is quite low. That's basically what many people may think, but I would argue saying that this is a platform that is only now starting to be popular, which means it definitely has a lot of room to grow. And as you take into account the newcomers who are coming to crypto, who are trying to park their crypto in a platform that is reliable, secure, and fully stable, and also offers them generous interest rates, I think Voyager is only going to grow from here on. Because if you take BlockFi and Celsius, they are obviously under lots of regulatory threat, and Voyager being a fully regulated platform that already has the seal of approval from the regulatory bodies, I think this platform has a lot of potential to shine in the future, and it could become the next BlockFi or Celsius network, right? So that's something that will definitely boost the market cap to at least $5 to $7 billion in the next few years, right? And that's definitely going to increase the price of the token as well. So when it comes to max supply, the token has a max supply of 279.3 million tokens, which is slightly higher than my optimal level of 100 million tokens, but it's still significantly smaller than tokens that have even more huge market cap, such as 1 billion tokens or even more, right? And if you take the best thing about this is that the circulating supply of this token is 100%, which means there's no new tokens that will be minted, and this is a fully diluted market cap, which means that the token, there's no more new tokens to be minted. So any rewards you earn is purely from the existing supply and not going to be minted into the new supply. So that's definitely something which is a big plus for this token, because there's no dilution from new tokens being dumped into the market, right? So that's a huge benefit for this token, and that's definitely going to reflect in the price of this token in the long run. So when it comes to the kind of like price charts itself, you can clearly see that this token has had some really volatile times and also a really long time when this token was completely inactive until recently it started blowing up through the roof, right? So when it comes to the price, its initial price was to 6 cents during 2017, mid of 2017, when the token went from 6 cents to a new all-time high at the time of $1.24 per token, and then it immediately crashed down, reaching the 52 cents mark before making new all-time highs of up to over even as high as $11 per token, which is incredibly crazy. But it's also crazy to think that this token did not sustain that price for too long, because it crashed instantaneously, reaching a low point of $1.86 from a $11 price point, and then also made a decent peak of about kind of a dead cat bounce kind of peak of about $4.70 in 2018, and then it crashed down during the later part of 2018, reaching a price of about 11 cents per token, and it was pretty much moving sideways for pretty much a very long period of time. In fact, throughout entirety of 2019, and even during the end of 2019, the token reached a price of close to 1 cent per token, which is its all-time low price points, and it was like this even throughout 2020 as well, until the end of 2020. So throughout 2019 and 2020, this token was pretty much in the 1 to maybe even 12 cents in that range. But after the end of 2020, the token went from 15 cents to a not an all-time high, but a second all-time highs of about close to $6 per token, before crashing back down to a price of about $1.99, made a high again, and then now, because of the Coinbase announcement, this token is kind of picking up again at $3.97, right? So as you can see, this token only started reviving recently in 2021, and it had literally been dead for 2 years, from 2019 to 2020, and now it's kind of reviving. So it is definitely a very volatile token. It only reached its $1 billion market cap pretty recently, and therefore I think this token is definitely going to have a new paradigm where it will become a much more of an oscillator, where it will go up and down rather than moving sideways for a prolonged period of time, because I think all of the token supply is in circulation, so there's no real need for token-based price suppression, right? That's something that will happen to multiple other tokens, but not to this token. So if you're trying to buy this token, I would probably wait, because this token can easily go down immediately after the Coinbase listing is done, and I think it can go as low as $2.20 to $2.10, which is a good opportunity to get into this token, right? If you're lucky, this token can even break below the $2 mark and even go at trade at around $1.90 range, which would be a really good opportunity to get in, because this token will definitely go to the moon, right? And there's a lot of opportunities for this token to make new all-time highs by the end of this bull run. But if you're looking to buy this token for the short term to the long term period, I would probably suggest you to hold off on that and maybe buy it only when it's below the $2.20 or $2.10 range, which is the best opportunity to buy this token at a cheaper discount, right? Again, this is just my opinion, guys, not financial advice. When it comes to the Bitcoin comparator, on the other hand, you can clearly see that this token obviously has a lot happening, especially in 2017, the Bitcoin comparator, but recent times it's kind of taking a more dollar comparative price pattern. But initially it was worth 228, I think it was 2,286 satoshis per token early when it's launched during mid 2017, and then it reached an all-time highs of about 28,410 satoshis before crashing back down to a low point of 12,000 satoshis per token. But it made a new massive all-time highs of close to 70,000 satoshis per token before crashing back down to about 2,700 satoshis per token, and it was pretty much flat since 2018 all the way till 2020, until early 2020 when the token went from 5,600 satoshis to a relative highs of about 13,000 satoshis, and then it moved sideways, and now due to the Coinbase listing announcement, this token has peaked. Although it has not peaked as high as the dollar comparative, it's still peaking. That's something that will definitely be dumping pretty soon. So therefore, if you want to buy this token in the Bitcoin comparator, I'd probably suggest you to hold off. If the token breaks below the 10,000 to 7,000 satoshi mark, even though it's a bigger range, I think this token can go below the 10,000 mark and then maybe even crash down to 7,000 satoshi mark, which will be a really good opportunity to buy in. But if you're looking to buy this token at this price point, I'd probably hold off, because this is pretty much it's quite steamy right now, and I want to make sure that you guys don't burn yourself. So please make sure to wait and buy this token once it dips, right? So that's basically the good strategy to buy this token. So when it comes to the markets itself, you can pretty much get this token from Binance, FTX, WazirX, as well as some of the other tier 3 exchanges. But if it's listed on Binance and you can buy this with Bitcoin and ETH, I don't think you need to wait for this token to be listed on other exchanges to buy this, or you don't even have to buy this token from any of the other exchanges, since you have most of the liquidity coming from Binance and FTX, right? So if you do have an account with WazirX, you can pretty much buy it low at $3.96 and then sell it high on Binance to make a arbitrage profit. But that's only for traders, and inexperienced investors should not try to do that. But if you're trying to buy this token and hodl it for quite some time, then Binance and FTX are the best places to buy this token, right? So what's my final verdict on this token, guys? I think this token has some really good opportunities to become the next BlockFi or next Celsius of the crypto space. Obviously, if you compare the Cell token as a reference point for Voyager, Cell token is kind of in the top 30s or top 50s, and Voyager is in the 100 rankings. And since its market cap is pumping right now, it will shrink, and I think this token can definitely go below the 100 ranking mark. But in the long run, as more and more people start earning interest from Voyager, and as Voyager becomes the most go-to place to earn interest in the future for new crypto hodlers, that will be an opportunity for Voyager token to pump in price and even break its previous all-time highs of $11 per token, and maybe reach a new all-time highs of close to $15 per token by the end of this bull run. That's my prediction, right? And in the long run, I think this token can easily trade somewhere between $20 to $30 per token in the next 3 to 5 years from now, right? Again, I feel like the tokenomics is quite strong, and it's also available on Coinbase with a lot more liquidity, which will definitely boost the price of this token to the moon, right? Again, this is just my opinion, guys, not not financial advice. So please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? Again, remember, guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.